Well, welcome everyone. My name is Bill Seltzer with Team Arizona, and today I have with me Eddy White. He's an associate professor at the University of Arizona, and he has designed an incredibly cool course at the U of A. But before we talk about that course, I want to learn a little bit more about Eddy and hear how motorcycling fits into his world. So Eddy, who are you?
Hi everybody, my name is Eddy White. I came to motorcycling late, and when I moved to Arizona, I mean, I didn't have much interest really in motorcycles in my younger days. But anyway, I used to take a bus into the university, and I'm sitting in the back of the bus and I'm seeing all these cool motorcycles on the road, and I'm like, man, that must be great. And literally a couple of years after I moved here, I signed up and did a course, and I bought a motorcycle a couple of weeks after that. So coming to Arizona is when I really got into motorcycles. I teach in the Public and Applied Humanities department, so I teach there and develop some courses for them, one of them being a motorcycle culture course. I was developing the motorcycle course, and sometimes it takes a while from an idea to actually the course to appear in the calendar. But anyway, the motorcycle I ended up selling the motorcycle. So in the fall of last year, the course got approved, and it's coming closer and closer. I didn't have a motorcycle, and I said to myself, are you going to teach a motorcycle culture course and you don't have a motorcycle? So anyway, I ended up buying a new motorcycle, buying a used motorcycle on Craigslist, and started riding it. And actually, I remember going through an intersection and kind of creeping my way through an intersection, and I thought to myself, that sucked how you did that. That was pretty awful. And it was like, you need to take a riding course and start working on your skills. And I took a Team Arizona advanced course, and it was exactly what I needed.